A Gaonkar of Anjuna Comunidad has filed one petition before the High Court contending that Sunburn EDM organizers have not paid the rent to use the Comunidad land, and the continue है ना? The Comunidad had given them the Comunidad had given the organizers NOC on the condition that they will pay the rent in the advance. The amount due, the rent 2.44 crore rupees have been charged as the rent to use the Comunidad land to organize Sunburn EDM. The High Court is scheduled to hear the petition on Friday. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.